Is your Shopify store using ChatGPT yet? If you're running your store all by yourself, you're going to want to use AI. Let me introduce you to a solution called Talkvisor. So this is what Talkvisor looks like installed on a Shopify store. This is our personal store that we actually run orders out of. And you can customize it to fit the theme of your store. It gives you a little welcome message. And I will take you into what it looks like in the app. So it's kind of your dashboard, and you can see I'm online right now. This is where I'm from. And you can see that I've been on for a minute. And over here, you can actually view the conversations. So this is a customer from Washington who was interested in our store. And this is like a real customer, and they were browsing. You can see that they joined. We sent a little welcome message. They started to do a little shopping, and you can also see the cart in the history as well as on the side over here. And Talkvisor actually provides a customer summary that basically looks at what they're clicking on, anything that they're interested in, maybe something about their shopping patterns that might stand out to us or to you as a store owner. And it also kind of shows you in a glance what part of their journey they're on. You can see that they've been adding things, and because that they've been on and browsing and shopping a bit, we then take what we know about the customer's habits and what they're interested in and actually suggest something to them in the app. So it'll appear as they're shopping on the little card and why they might like it. And so this is completely tailored to your customer. It's not like it's not something you set up. It actually will see what they're interested in and make that recommendation for you. And so this is kind of what the behind the scenes looks like. One thing I want to point out is that our AI is trained completely on your store. So every day, multiple times a day, we will go into your store, look at all of the content, every single page, and then gather all of that information and use it to train a ChatGPT based AI model that's specifically for your store. So it's completely tailored to your store, and you don't have to do any setup. You don't have to make a chatbot with flow charts, like none of that. It's just completely automatic. And so the onboarding is really easy. It's very intuitive to use. And so that's kind of what it looks like in the app. And I can kind of poke through the settings. Want to also point out with AI, I know there can be a little bit of fear around, I don't want it to send out messages without, my approval and whatnot. So we do have a fair amount of control that you can add to your AI, which is you can select what type of uh, categories you'd like to send messages for, if that makes sense. So we want to help you control when the AI is actually working on your behalf. So if you want to keep it safe, you can just do welcome messages and doing the proactive sales to kind of boost the sales. If you want, we can also do additional categories that will automatically send a message to your customer when we detect that the customer is on a certain step of their journey. And then we also have we want everything, literally just respond to all. We also have that option as well, if that's something you're interested in as well. And so that's kind of what we have for AI settings. We also have an FAQ that you can set up. Our billing is very intuitive. We show you the usage, and it's mostly based off of the number of auto-sent AI messages. So one thing to note is that for our free free plan and our paid tiers, we always draft a AI response to any customer message. And this is completely whether you're paying or not, we will write the message for you. The only thing we charge on is how many you decide to send out automatically. So if you want, you can just completely just use the free plan and go through the drafts and send them manually. And our billing is completely only the big differentiator is the auto set number of AI messages. We also allow for customization of your chat widget. You can upload your own icon to match your store's branding. We can also set up a gradient color. We do this light green to dark green, which is nice, but also solid color as well, and then where you'd like the widget. We also have email and Facebook and WhatsApp integrations also set up so that you can connect your business accounts to direct any messages sent there into Talkvisor, and you can all have it all in one place. So that's a quick demo of how Talkvisor works. That's it. Thanks.